What's up, mi gente? And we're back. Now you are a licensed Florida real estate professional and you want to know, how do I start making some money? Well, here goes with tip number one. Tip number one is to let everyone know that you are now a real estate professional. Let your family and friends know that you are now licensed and you can help them find their dream home, new rental location, or even an investment property, whatever it is that they need. So now that you've let everyone know that you are their go-to real estate professional, let's move on to tip number two. Tip number two is to choose your farming area. Your farming area is where you are going to be known as the real estate professional to go to. Look for a certain zip code, a certain city, somewhere where you are going to become a staple for anyone who is looking for real estate investments, purchasing, renting, or selling. You can take step two to the next level by paying for marketing, creating a website in order to target those that are within a 5 or 10 mile radius from your farming location. They have to know that their go-to person is you. Your name has to be the first one that they think about when they think about real estate. And you do that by targeting a farming area. Tip number three is to hustle, hustle, hustle. This is an industry where there is multiple agents that anyone can choose from. And you have to let people know what makes you different. Be professional, be on time, be honest. Do your due diligence, okay? Try to target whatever it is that your client's needs are. Let's start by there. Then building on whatever their wants are. Creating a bond with your clients based off of their needs and their wants and actually fulfilling it, considering them as family or friends, will help you to build more clientele. When people feel comfortable with working with you, then they'll refer you to your friends and family. And then that is where the real money making begins. It starts by your professionalism, honesty, and hard work ethic. And those were my 3 top tips in how to become a successful real estate agent. Now, if you enjoyed my video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't worry, there's more videos in real estate to come. Have a blessed day.